Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a Rue Lala haul. They had another sale. I think it was a 3-day sale pop up, and there was one thing I was looking for, and that was clips. And I'm not even opened this yet, so we're opening it together. They had a lot of good sales on that day or during that sale. So if you've never been on Rue Lala, I'll leave a link down below for Rue Lala. I have on the bracelet that I actually wanted the clips for, so I'm going to take that off. And this is my cruise bracelet, but I've added some beads to it. I'm going to show you. And I know my camera is crap showing you these beads. I'm holding them so they don't fall off. So I got the bracelet in Nassau, and this is the heart, the original heart O on the back, and it says Pandora on the other side. And I bought 3 beads at Nassau. I got the little cruise ship, and it says Bahamas on the bottom, which I know you probably can't see that. I got a blue swirly glass Murano bead. That is so pretty. There we go. And then there's a little cruise ship. And then I got some hearts since it was our anniversary. So I'm going to take the other beads I have on there off. I should have already had that done, huh? Guys, Rue Lala, you can get Pandora and like other designer brands. I'm serious, for a fraction of the cost. You just gotta watch the sales, because one bead, say it's a glass, we'll just say a glass bead. You look at one sale and it's on sale for $18.99. In the next sale, you may see the same bead on sale for $14.99. Then the next sale, you may see it in there for $19.99. I mean, it just depends, I guess, on the sale. I don't know, but I've seen prices vary, and I just kind of keep an eye on the ones that I like, and I wait for them to get down to like $11.99, $14.99, and that's when I'll buy them. Now, the cruise ship and the glass bead and the heart we did buy at Pandora, so they were. Everything else I have gotten from Rue Lala, because I can't do, $30 to $60 for one charm. All right. That one's just going to slide off. And this bracelet does have the little clip spacers stations, so that's why you have to, and they're threaded, so you have to twist them. You have to unscrew them off there. So there's the bracelet, and there's the heart. This is a 7.5. So the clips I got were, looking for the other one, there should be. Oh, please tell me there's another clip. There's another clip. There it is. Okay. I believe are called Sunburst, and they're in their little packages. Because the cruise ship we were on, that we was on, was called the Sunshine. So I thought this would match perfect, because there were suns, like a lot of the light fixtures were in like the shape of the sun, with like things coming out to make it look like a sun. And I wish I had something I could put these on to show them. I have this needle that might work. But they're just little gold, 14 karat gold ball beads, and then radiant bars of like lines coming out. So those are the clips. And I hope I can get them open with my fingernails. Maybe, maybe not. Give me that needle back. Trial and error, people. Trial and error. Am I opening it up the right way? I know when you have fake nails, they're harder to get open, so I may have to wait to get those open. I got another pink bead because I have one, and I should have got two when I got this one, and I didn't, like a dumb butt. But I got another pink, so that'll match this one. This is my family bracelet, so, and then I got these, and like I said, these, none of these were like over $15. None of them. I'm not gonna, oh, I lied. One. There's one. Look how pretty. Pink Muranos. So I got two of those. This is one I've been watching for a while, and I kept seeing it at like 20-something dollars. I finally got it for under 15. And it is the teacup charm. Look how absolutely stinking cute. It's a teacup on a saucer with a spoon. This is one I had been watching and watching and watching. I was like, please let it go under $15, and it finally did. So you guys know I love my teacups. I love drinking tea. So that one's going to go probably on my family bracelet. I don't know yet. And then the last one, this is the one that was a little more pricey, but I have been watching it. And I wanted it from the moment I saw it. And there's a meaning behind it. It is the two teddy bears hugging, and they're holding a heart. Guys, I'll take really good photos of these and put them up on my Instagram so you can see them better. So check out my Instagram. So that one will be going probably on my family bracelets. So I'll have to rework it. So I need something to get these clips open. It's going to drive me crazy. I'm going to end up messing up my nails, aren't I? But there's a little tool you can buy that pops these open, and I'm going to have to end up getting it. Wait, will tweezers work? I don't want to scratch them up. I just need something to pop in there. Well, I'm going to have to get my hubby to pop these open probably, because I can't get them popped open with these nails. So anyway, that is my haul. And I will take pictures of the bracelet when it's done and put it on Instagram for you guys to see. But that is my little Rue Lala haul. This is probably the last one till maybe Christmas, because that's really all I've been looking for. That's really all I've had my eye on. So yeah, I'll take pictures of everything and put them up on my IG. So I'll have my IG name listed down below. Be sure you check it out for full photos so you can see better detail. And if you've ever thought about buying like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Prada, Fendi, Pandora, David Yurman, really nice, the jewelry. All of those brands are on there, but there's sales, and they're only like 3 or 4 days, and you catch the sales, and you just got to kind of watch until you can see kind of how the prices are going to go. And then you just keep an eye on your prices. But there's always constant sales coming back up. So that's it for my little Pandora haul, and this is probably it till the holidays, because the only other thing I've seen that I really want is the cocoa mug with the candy cane in it and a couple other Christmas charms, and that's really all I've seen that I really want, and it's a holiday collection. So as always, thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.